Good morning, all of you. Today we will study about the second chapter of book second of 12th class political science. Here the chapter is era of one party domination. Here I would like to tell you about the introduction. Here you will see the picture that was founding member of the Congress party in 1885. Election in one of the regular features of the democracy. It is the contest among the political parties for getting public votes. Political parties perform a series of the functions such the contesting elections, putting forward different policies and the programs, making laws for the country, forming and running the government. The electoral competition among the political parties began immediately after independence. The chapter throws light the first decade of the electoral policies. Here there are the three points. The first is establishment of a system of the free and fair elections. The domination of the Congress party in the early years after independence and the emergence of the political parties and their policies. Then we will study about the 3 points. The first is establishment of the free and fair election system. Second is the domination of the one party era of domination of the Congress, and the third is the emergence of political parties and their collisions, or we can say that the policies. Fact that matter. The first is challenges of the nation building. Here after the independence we had having the second challenge, that was the establishment of the democracy through the election. The first point is it was decided a difficult path. The second is the role of the policies of the democracy. They wanted to run policies and the method of the short problems as well as the decide the issue of the public interest. Third is the consequently election commission was established in January 1950, and the first general election commissioner was the Sukumar Sen, become the first chief election commissioner of India, hold the elections, and the electoral roll consisting eligible voters to hold free and fair elections. The fourth point is but the election commission discovered that it was going to be not very easy free and fair elections in the country. Here the next point is, however, the first general election India became the landmark due to the competitive encouragement. The next point is, it was not just the size of the country, but most of the people, they were illiterate. And if we comparison with the other country, for example in Europe and North America, they were literate people. The India experiment had proved the critic wrong. The Times of the India had the confounded all those spectators who thought that the introduction of the universal franchise too risky and the experiment in the country. So today is our topic that has been completed. Take care.